Hey guys, this is our first time playing White Noise, so if you see us screwing up here, that's why. This game is basically like Slenderman, you have to find tape recorders to win the game.
Are you looking at me? I'm gonna follow you. It did? No, it's still there. Don't look at it, just don't look at it. Let's check out the cemetery. Yo! We're here. Check out the cemetery. I got this. I'm a risk taker. I can hear it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's over here. It's over here. It's over here. It's in there. Oh god. See that?
I wish I had listened.
Oh god.
Everybody tried to warn me. There's no use in feeling regret.
Oh god! Run! This way, this way, this way. Right trigger, right trigger. Oh god, I saw him. Do you hear it? Do you hear the music? This way, this way, this way. Are you behind me? Yeah. Have you seen him yet? God, it's scary. Go this way. You behind me? Oh, not that way! Not that way! No! Wrong way! Oh, okay, wrong way! Right here. I don't care. It's over here. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! I can hear you. See you. You wanna try that again?